Welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about how to implement picking of images on your mobile device using Flutter. So this is the app we are going to be implementing, and you can pick image from here. So let's click on this so I can pick an image. So now I can choose this and voila, this is it. You've picked an image. So now why don't you just sit back while I walk you through the code. So first of all, to start this, we are going to use a package called pick image. So this is the package. So how to install it? You just need to copy this and then paste it here. So let me just uncomment this, and then we do this, and then you click on your pop get. After that, after that, then we go right to our code so that we can implement everything we've done, everything we are going to do rather. So first of all, I've declared this file, which is a select image, and this is where we are going to store our image inside this variable, inside this selected image. So to store it inside this variable, first of all, we have to create a method. This method is this method whenever we execute this method is going to store our image inside the selected image. So let me start by writing the function. First, I'll create the function. It's going to be a future with void, and it's going to be, we're going to name the image the method pick image, and then I need to make it an asynchronous function, and then we are going to create a variable final. We are going to create this class pick image, which we are getting the pick image class from our from the package we just installed, which is pick image. So now we are going to create another variable which is going to store the image that we've picked. And then make it equals to this await. That's why we are using an asynchronous function. So we can use this await. So it will wait till we pick the image before it can execute on any other thing. So now I'm going to take this method, access what's inside this image picker, and then we'll do this and make it dot pick image. There's a method here, we've seen it, pick image, and now it's going to, this image now is going to pick the image. Now we are going to access the source. We're going to get our source from our gallery. We can get from camera, but we are using the gallery, and then we end it, and then we are now going to create an if statement. So once this is not empty, okay, once it is not null, we are going to set state. So basically what this set state does is it rebuild the UI, and then we are going to take this. So whenever there is a change in the UI, it's reviewed it. So we are going to make it equals to this file. Sorry, it's in class file, and then we are going to put the path So pick image. So we are going to take this and access the path dot. So we have seen the path. So we access the path, and then this we've created the function. So next, now what we are going to do, we are going to create this part here, this where we are going to be accessing the image on our UI. So let me walk you through what happened here. So I created a row, and inside the row, I make the row anything that you put inside the row to be in the center. That's why these are images in the center. So now I this selected image, I created a ternary operator that if this is true, it should execute this, and if it is not true, it should execute this. So first of all, here now, if the selected image is not empty, that means we've picked an image. It should execute that will execute this, which contains our image path, and then this image.file can access this our path and display it on our UI. But if we've not selected any image, it's going to execute this lower part, which we show no image selected. So now let's go to our bottom part, our last part, that is this button. This button is what we are going to click so that it can execute this function here. Same as above, I wrapped it in a row so that it can be in the center. And now I created this elevated button, which in the onPress part, I I I put the pick image method, which is this, so that when you click on once you click on this button, it executes what is inside this onPress, and which is this. So now let's refresh, and now it has refreshed. So now we can click on this to pick another image, and this is it. Voila, we've picked another image. So that is all about image picker, and do well to subscribe to my video, to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button too. And the next video I'm going to be creating will be about saving image, so do well to also watch that video too. Thank you and God bless.